How's everybody doing? Meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros and LiveWeatherBlogs.com. I'm going to be doing the winter outlook for Southwest Virginia, and we're going to discuss that here and how it will occur. The Big Four, La Nina is returning. We're going to have cold outbreaks. There is the Hurricane ACE Index, volcano issues, and also Siberian ice, which is something new that we've been looking at. We'll talk about that in a minute. So taking a look here, this is what's going on right now. You can see the blue, that's cool air. That's a sign of La Nina. So we're looking at La Nina starting to kick in. It's not going to be a strong La Nina, it's going to be a weak La Nina, which actually favors snow in the area, even though it favors above average temperatures for the majority of the season. And as the NOAA winter outlook came out, you can see we're right on that wetter and equal chance area here in part of southwestern Virginia. So the chances are we're going to have an above normal winter season. I'll explain why in a minute. But that being said, expect some snow this year, and we won't be getting only 4 inches like we did last year. That's for sure, here in the Roanoke, Lynchburg, Blacksburg area. So we have to first understand how these storms happen. And this is a Miller-A storm. Notice I have a L at the bottom here. Let me back this up. And it comes across Florida and then comes off the Carolina coast. That is called a Miller-A storm. Miller-A storms start along jet stream in the Gulf of Mexico and ride up along the coast. These types of storms can cause major snowstorms like the 1996 superstorm that occurred with over 30 inches of snow. Miller-A's actually are, in a La Nina situation, more prominent. So we'll have to see how that all operates. But that allows the cool air to lock in Virginia and give us some snow. So that's the Miller-A. Another type we get is the Miller-B. And I'm going to show you here. You see the L at the top with that cold front. I'm using local maps here. But it transfers its energy from the Ohio Valley then to the coastline and blows up something called bombogenesis, where you have a pressure drop for like 24 millibars within a 24-hour period, and the storm blows up basically, and you get all that cold air in place, and you get a good amount of snow. So Miller-A and Miller-B both cause heavy snowfall. The Miller-A's are more predominant with major storms, but we also have major storms that occur off of the Miller-B type of storm. So expected weather: warmer than normal overall, but multiple storms with snow and ice, specifically January through March. I'm not expecting December to be crazy. We may get some snow late November, December. Nothing really accumulating. I think January through March is going to be the time frame we're going to see that. There will be some good long snow, cold spells. Weak La Nina and lots of Siberian snow cover and ice cover. Ice is thick up there. So that being said, that allows the cooler temperatures to drop into the area, thus leading to snow. So my numbers for this year: 28.5 expected in Roanoke, 24 in Lynchburg, 31.8 in Blacksburg. Expect 2 to 4 ice events and a few major snowstorms. Normal for Roanoke is right around 18 to 20 inches. Lynchburg right around the same, 18, and Blacksburg's a little higher, but it's going to be above normal by 15 to 20%. This year. That's what I'm calling for here. That's my personal forecast for this area, for the Weather Pros and LiveWeatherBlogs.com. I hope everybody enjoys this winter outlook and understands it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching. Think Snow.